Hi, welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to make background transparent free. Uh, the problem most people encounter when creating an image like Ping is that if you're using a free software like Canva, it won't allow you to remove the background. Although you save it as a Ping, once you download it, it still has the background. And unless you're willing to pay for the pro version, it won't allow you to remove the background. So I've actually discovered a free tool online, and that will help you solve this problem. So before I show you, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. This would really make me happy, and hopefully I'll be making some more videos for you. So let me so if you have never used Canva, this is the URL for it. It's a great software for creating free graphic designs such as logo or posts for Facebook, Instagram, and so on. The your creativity is really endless in Canva, and it's a free program, so you don't have to pay for it. So let me show you the actual tool that I will be using. This is the URL that I will be using. What I will do, I will put it beneath this video for you so you have easy access to the URL. So let me go to this software that I can actually show you how it works. And here it is. This is the software. So all you have to do is just upload an image. It really is super simple. So let's see if we can upload an image that has a background and show you how I can remove it. Okay, now choosing an actual file. Let's go to downloads and see one that I want to work with. This may, okay, I think this would be a good one. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see, this has a white background, and it would be a little bit annoying to use as a logo because it's going to take so much space. So the best thing, I'm not going to show you here, but you can actually use, firstly, it would be advisable to use the crop function so you can get the shape you want. But for this example, I'm going to leave it as it is. Now, all you have to do is it actually tells you crop scale. So here it gives you some function: crop, scale, rotate, transparent. So let's just go to transparent. Okay, here it gives you an actual, here you can actually adjust how much transparent you want it to be. So let's see if we can get it better. Let's see, can we improve on that? Okay, no. So really, okay, what you may actually have to do is to save the image as it is, because you've got rid of most of the white background, but there is a little bit left here and there. So what would be advisable is to save it and then upload it again and just work on these little sections. And that's how I've done it before, and it's worked very well for me. It's not gonna take very long. Then once you're ready to once you're all happy with it, then you can just save it, save image, and that's it. So thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time, and hopefully this has helped you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks, bye. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.